Another day, another round of filming trains. This time I was over in Mount Maunganui since I also needed to do some shopping over there, even though what I ended up buying was a little silly to say the least. As well as this lot, I ended up getting some new clothes as well. But for the most part, that's completely irrelevant to the real railway. And on that note, here's DL 9256 crossing Totara Street north with train 352 from KiwiRail. Incidentally, this is the same locomotive that was on train 491 yesterday. Perhaps it's also worth mentioning that, in my opinion, neither crossing on Totara Street is a particularly good vantage point for train spotting. When I first got to the yard, there were these other two DLs sitting by the turntable. Not long after this footage was taken, 9659 went out on train 373 to KiwiRail, while 9481 took a very short 334 to Hamilton. And I was able to film both these services at this spot between a full 18-hole golf course and Maunganui Road. Incidentally, this spot wasn't too far from the Bayfair shopping centre. while this wind noise was doing my head in, yet again, I realised I was standing alongside an old railway formation, one of the very few cases of such a thing anywhere in Tauranga or Mount Maunganui. Incidentally, if you would like to see a proper coverage of mine on a disused railway, you can check the link in the top right corner. You see, 10 years ago, in early 2012, the railway line through Bayfair ran much closer to the actual shopping centre. Since then, or more specifically by 2017, the line had been diverted onto the new alignment, as there is actually a road flyover still under construction at Bayfair, which needs the space once occupied by the railway. And not even 10 minutes after 373 went past, here comes DL9481 again with the unexpectedly short train 334. After what felt like far too much time spent at Bayfair, I somehow made it back to this spot opposite the New World supermarket in order to catch DL9037 with train 483 from Kinleith. So that brings another Trainspotting video to an end. If anyone's interested, I will be making a video about the return of Te Huia after January 24, and I'll also be following a Steam Incorporated excursion up the main trunk line on January 30, albeit only between the bridge in Tangiwai and the crossing loop at the Roirimu. Until my next video, thank you very much for watching.